Currently in our area, 81 degrees, under cloudy skies with windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, windy with strong thunderstorms, low 51. West-southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, mainly sunny, high 85. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, a mostly clear sky, low 58. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, mainly sunny, high 81. Winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Expect fair skies Wednesday through Friday, with temperatures in the low 80s on Wednesday.